Australia gives you the opportunity for some fantastic long distance travel, but to get there safely, you have to rely on the performance of your tyres. When checking your tyres for signs of wear or damage, these are some of the things that you really should look for. Firstly, we're looking at the sidewalls. Don't forget you've got two. Don't miss the inside one. And here we're looking for cracks, nicks, damage, bulges, anything that may cause an issue later on. Every tyre is going to have an element of wear. What you're aiming for is even wear. If you start to notice that your tyres have an uneven wear, you need to go looking for the reason. It could be a wheel alignment issue. It could be an overinflation. If they're overinflated, you'll have a wear strip down the centre. Underinflation, you'll have a wear strip on both edges. These could be the cause of your uneven wear of your tyres. If you notice any of these signs of wear, what it also means is you don't have the full tread in contact with the road surface. Part of ensuring that you have that even wear is diagonally rotating your tyres. Now don't forget the spare on your car and your trailer should be included in that rotation. The other thing to be aware of is the age of your tyre. Like all rubber, it gets old. You may have plenty of tread on the tyre, but you need to be considering the age. Every tyre has a stamp on it with the date of manufacture, and it's recommended about 5 or 6 years is the life of a tyre. Checking your tyres doesn't finish when you drive out your driveway. It's an ongoing thing for your tour. Checking them for nicks, cracks, anything that's happening along the road. This should be a daily check. I recommend you do it of an evening when the tyres have cooled down and you've got plenty of time to sort out any issues so it doesn't delay your departure in the morning. You've had a fantastic trip. Time to store the trailer. A few things you can do to help preserve those tyres. Park it in out of direct sunlight if possible. Get the weight off those tyres by putting it up on its jack stands. Check. Have that last little check of the tyres. Look for any nicks or damage so you've got plenty of warning about replacing them before your next holiday.